Such square shape. Jupiter. Square Jupiter. Yes. Come. Very good. This is square. Very good. Dance. Now, one circle will show. One circle. You see? See. Light. What shape? Very good. Okay. I will show. Line. Okay. Line. Okay. Now you tell me what is this? Hey, all of you look here. If you say the correct answer, then chocolates will be yours. I will give the chocolate for you. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many answers here? 4. Very good, very good. Now, listen. The 4 lines are same, equal. What is that? Equal. Or same. This is called a square. Why it is called square? 4 lines, equal lines. 4 lines, equal lines. It is a square. Here you see opposite lines are, these opposite lines are same, but not 4 lines are not same. This is called rectangle. Now it is a circle. Now, show me one rectangle shape, any object here. You join this. You join this. What is the shape here? Okay, this is the shape of triangle. Why it is triangle? Enduko triangle? Second line and join the hand. There the third. Now it is a triangle. This triangle. This figure is triangle. Okay. Shall I ask a question? Square, rectangle, then circle. You understand? Okay, are you enjoying the class? It's just one. It's just the chocolate. I will show one more shape. Your answer త్వరగా చెప్తే వాళ్ళకి ఇస్తాను. కరెక్ట్గా చెప్తే చాక్లెట్ వస్తుంది. త్వరగా చెప్పిన వాళ్ళకే ఇస్తారు. లేట్గా చెప్తే ఇవ్వరు.